Hello everyone, and welcome. In this video, I am going to show you a complete end-to-end walkthrough of the Renewal and Revenue Recovery Manager for Perfex CRM. This module is designed to help businesses track upcoming renewals, monitor revenue at risk, manage follow-ups, and improve renewal recovery, all from one centralized workspace inside Perfex CRM. If your business deals with annual contracts, service subscriptions, maintenance agreements, policy renewals, support packages, or recurring accounts, this module gives you a much more structured way to stay on top of renewal operations. Instead of managing renewals in spreadsheets, notes, emails, or manual reminders, everything is organized directly inside Perfex CRM. Now let's go step by step and see how this module works. Module Overview. Once the module is activated, you will see a dedicated Renewals menu inside Perfex CRM. Inside this menu, you have the main areas of the module: Dashboard, Add Renewal, Settings. The purpose of this module is very simple: to give your team one place where they can create renewal records, assign responsibility, track amounts, schedule follow-ups, monitor risk, and manage renewal outcomes. This helps reduce missed renewals, improves accountability, and gives management better visibility into what revenue needs attention. Dashboard Walkthrough. Let's start with the dashboard. The dashboard is the main control center of the module. At the top, you can see quick summary cards that provide an instant operational view of your renewal pipeline. These cards help you understand total open or tracked renewals, renewals coming up in the next 30 days, items that are considered at risk, and records that have already been renewed. This gives users and managers a clear picture of what is happening without opening every single renewal one by one. On the right side, you also have action buttons such as Add Renewal, Run Automation, Settings, Export CSV. This keeps the most important actions quickly accessible. Below the summary cards, there is a filter area. This filter section allows you to search and narrow down renewal records using keyword search, stage, priority, customer, owner, renewal date range. This is especially useful when you have many renewal records and want to focus only on a specific customer, a specific owner, or a specific date window. At the bottom, the module shows the renewal listing table. This table displays key data such as renewal number, title, customer, reference, owner, renewal date, next follow-up, amount, stage, priority, and available actions. So the dashboard is not only for visibility, it is also the day-to-day working area for the team. 3. Add Renewal Screen. Now let's create a new renewal. When we click on Add Renewal, the module opens the renewal creation form. This screen is where the full renewal record is created. At the top, you will notice that the renewal number is auto-generated on save. This is very important because it removes the need for manual numbering and helps maintain consistency across records. The user then fills in the core details of the renewal. These include renewal date, next follow-up date, title, stage, priority, customer, owner, reference type. The module also supports reference handling, which means you can track a renewal either as a manual reference or, where supported, link it to an existing related record. For manual workflows, you can enter a manual reference label, such as a contract number, service plan, policy name, or internal reference. Next, the form allows you to enter the financial details. These include amount, currency, save offer amount, churn reason, and description. One of the most useful improvements in this module is the way currency works. Instead of forcing users to manually choose a default currency every time, the module is designed to inherit the currency from the selected customer where available, and if the customer does not define one, it falls back to the Perfex base currency. This makes the workflow much closer to native Perfex behavior and reduces user error. The save offer amount can be used when the business is trying to retain a customer with a revised offer. The churn reason field is helpful when the renewal is lost or marked as churned, so the business can later analyze why customers are not renewing. The description field gives users a place to add negotiation notes, context, risks, blockers, or internal comments. On the right side, the screen also includes an activity timeline panel. When the record is brand new, the timeline is empty. After the first save, this area becomes useful for tracking future updates and activity against that renewal. So overall, the Add Renewal screen gives your team one complete form to create a structured renewal record from the start. 4. Why the renewal form is important. This screen is important because it turns an unstructured process into a consistent workflow. In many businesses, renewals are often tracked manually or remembered too late. That causes missed follow-ups, delayed customer contact, and sometimes lost revenue. With this module, every renewal can be created properly with ownership, dates, value, stage, priority, and next action planning. That means renewal management becomes operational instead of reactive. 5. Renewal stages and workflow. Now let's talk about the stages. The module supports operational stages such as upcoming, due soon, at risk, renewed, lost, churned. These stages help teams understand exactly where each renewal stands in the process. For example, upcoming means the renewal is planned and still at a safe stage. Due soon means the renewal date is getting close and the team should actively work on it. That was the complete walkthrough of the Renewal and Revenue Recovery Manager for Perfex CRM. If you are looking for a cleaner and smarter way to track renewals, monitor revenue at risk, and improve follow-up management inside Perfex CRM, this module can be a very strong addition to your workflow.